Ugh, look how dirty this is. I'm a terrible owner. What's up, gang? It's December, winter in the Midwest, and obviously I can't ride unless I'm one of those adventure rider guys or girls, and I am. But it's cold. I know I got the GS over there. I can ride, but it's cold. It's got no traction control. It's icy. My little fingers get cold. So what does that mean for someone like me who enjoys motorcycles but lives in a place where it's cold half the time? It means garage projects. In this particular case, we are going to replace the air filter in the Triumph Street Cup, which is very similar to, in fact, it is pretty much the same as a Triumph Street Twin. So if you have one of those, this procedure is the same, basically. And I'm pretty sure, actually, T100s, maybe even T120s. Don't quote me on it. Anyway, so why would you want to replace your OEM air filter? It's a good question. You may have done some research, but here's the gist of it, basically. Reason number one, they are reusable. You can take them out, and instead of chucking them in the landfill, you can wash them out and spray them with some special stuff and put them back in, and they're just gonna work. So you're saving yourself some money there. Reason number two, you don't have to pay for it at a dealer for them to do what you can do yourself. Third reason is performance. Specifically, K&N, a very well-known brand for boosting performance out of chucking OEM stuff and putting their stuff in. Now, according to this package, they're marketing the K&N Performance Lifetime Engine Air Filter does the following things. Increase horsepower, remains to be seen. 50% more airflow. Okay, that's probably good. Washable and reusable for up to $250 savings. That's pretty good. Up to 75,000 miles between cleanings. That's good. That'll save you money. And also, apparently, NASCAR uses these. Now, this particular filter is the TB9016, if that's what you're looking for. That's the one you're going to want for this type of model. Now, in a previous video, I had removed the snorkel from the side of the Triumph. So, and I had mentioned that I was going to be doing this, and I'm finally doing it. So the snorkel has been removed, which allows for more air to flow into the engine, and this promises to allow even more air to go in. So that's the gist of it. 3 reasons. Let's see if I can actually do the job. Spoiler alert, I'm filming this after I did it. I did the job. Maybe I should do it from the other side so that the kickstand can still be out, just in case it... But here's the problem. This thing goes down real quick. Like that. I don't mind saying this, but this is a little stressful. So many things you don't anticipate happening when you're just starting to work on your bike in your garage. Just spacing alone is an issue. Even though it's a 2-car garage that's currently empty apart from 2 bikes. Well, the bike is up and appears to be balanced. Probably should strap it down. There it is. This is the stock filter that comes with the Triumph Street Cup and probably other Triumph models. And this is the K&N. You can see the difference of the airflow. You can actually see how much more airflow would be going through here. And even though that's really much wider, from everything that I've seen and read, it still does a pretty great job of keeping crap out of your engines. Whoever invented these, they're great, but fuck you. Well, that's how you change the air filter on the Triumph Street Cup and possibly Triumph Street Twin, as well as the T100 and most likely other modern classics in the Triumph lineup. Not that difficult. All in all, maybe an hour, a little less if you know what you're doing. Clearly I don't. And that's how you lower a Triumph Street Cup or Street Twin on a jack you bought for $179 off of Amazon. Kind of curious what it's going to sound like with the new filter. It works. Now, whether it actually works while riding, it's too cold, right? I'm not gonna